2 ways to unlock your Samsung phone without losing any data. Let's jump right in. The first method is using Samsung's Find Mobile service. This is a great option if you have a Samsung account set up and registered. Go to findmymobile.samsung.com on any browser or use the Find My Mobile app on another Samsung device. Log in with your Samsung account credentials. Once logged in, select the locked device from the list and choose Unlock. This will remotely unlock your phone without erasing any data. After a few moments, your phone will be unlocked and you can access it without losing anything. If you don't have access to Find My Mobile, another method is to use recovery mode, but we'll pair it with Smart Switch to prevent data loss. First, turn off your Samsung mode. Now press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, select Wipe Cache Partition instead of a full factory reset. This clears any system glitches without touching your personal data. After wiping the cache partition, restart your phone. To be extra safe, you can back up your data using Samsung Smart Switch app before performing any reset. Smart Switch allows you to back up your contacts, photos, and other files to a PC or another device so nothing gets lost. And that's it. Those are the two simple ways to unlock your Samsung phone without losing any data.